Hello my dear friends, in this video we will learn about number formatting, because whatever we learn, that is cell, cell and cell, these all are called cells, and inside cells we can put different types of format, number format, data format. Like suppose in a format, first column I just write with name, second column I just written with date, next I just written with time, next other I just I just give the name, date, time, fees, like that, and in any other I just returns mobile number. So what is happen if I just written here some name like Amit, date I just written put here 16/7, time I just put here like 11, fees I just put here 2000, and mobile number I just put here like 1234567. So what is here, till now there is nothing new here, but if I will click here and I will see this particular group, so here I can easily identify the concept of this particular group. Means whenever we put any of the format or any of the data in a particular cell, Excel first try to find the type of format of that particular text. Means what is the means of that particular data which you inserted on a particular cell. For example, what it is a date, what it is a time, what is a money, what it is a number, what it is a fraction, and any of the thing. So I'm just giving you some examples. Suppose I just click on Amit, and inside here you are able to see the option journal. If you will click on the date, so here now in this area there is no option for journal, here it is custom. Again if I will click on the next one, so it is giving the next one, that is custom, that is the custom. Again if I click here, so it is giving me the journal, and if I am just clicking here, again it is giving me the journal. For one more example, I am putting here date again, and I want to write the complete date, and after that I will see what it is giving me, the journal, custom, or any other message. So now it is giving me what, date. So that is what the area, the particular cell range we can select. We can give a specific formatting of a particular cell. That is the means. Or you can easily understand if I will click here. Yes, these all are the formatting of the data. Means whatever the data you want to put on a particular cell, on a particular column, on a particular range, you can give predefined format of that particular number or of that particular data. How you can do that? Suppose this is the column number fee, and I want that key with D2 to D10. If I will put 1, 1000, 2000, so it will automatically put the currency symbol. So this can be done with the help of, first I need to select that particular area, and after that I need to change the format of that particular cell in currency. Now if I will return 4, so it will convert it in rupees 4. If I will return 5000, so it will return in 5000. So it will work till D10. Suppose 500, it will working. Now if I written here 600, it is not working. So we need to understand only one thing. If we want to do like a professional work, so we need to understand, yes, we can give the predefined format of a particular column, so that if we will do something wrong on, or if we will wrongly, if we will put something wrong data inside that particular column, then we can easily identify that yes, this is wrongly input here. How we can do that? Suppose this is the date column, and in this column I just select this particular range, and I just give the format like date, and in here in this particular range, if I will put only 1 and I will move to the next cell, so what is the date here? 111900. Means inside this particular area, if I will put anything, it will convert it automatically in a date format. So this is the most probably we can say that problems, because sometime when we just try to write any of the cell, like we want to just this is the column number H and this column number H is empty, and if just want to write here name, or we just want to write here what serial number, and if we want to just try write 1 2 3, so now it is automatically changed in the format of date, because someone is has already applied the date format on this particular column. So you need to understand, don't need to worry, don't need to delete this like we do in journal way. Just select this particular thing, go to the number format and use the number options, it will automatically change. So this is the way how you can pre-define a particular cell address, so that whenever you will put any of the number, that number should be automatically changed on the particular what formatting. Now how we can do the changes in the format, this is the one thing, how we can do the changes of the particular format. So you can click here, you can choose this particular area like more number format to make some changes in formatting of the data or of the number format. Or what you can do, you can use this particular area as well, this particular area. Just click here like that, double click, and the window will be open. This window will be open, and here the first group is number, and inside number you can make formatting with all these number like number, currency, accountancy, date, time, and all. So suppose this is the column number, this is the column for date, and you want to change the formatting of the dates, then how you can do that? Just select the particular area, click on this particular thing, click on the custom, and here just move this particular thing, select the journal and write whatever you want the message, or you can click on the date if you want to make some predefined format, like here you want that date should become like this format, so just click on OK. So all the date that is written previously, that will automatically change, and whatever you will written in the new one, that will automatically change in this particular format, like that. You have the format like that. Now you want to make this simplest one, so just select the area, click here, go to the time, go to the date, select any of the date format, click on the OK, it will become changed like that. So this is too simple, but you need to give some attention how you can do the task. Just click here, go to the custom. If you want to make some your changes, go to the customs and you can return here like that. Like you want year first, so y 4 digit of year, then month, then date. So most of the time we need to use this particular format. We want first we want year, then we want month, then we want date. Or if we are just facing these types of problem ki first already year is coming, then month is coming, after at the end date is coming, but we want to change this format, we want to date, then month, then year. So just select that particular area, the particular cell range, go to the setting, go to the custom and change this particular format, this one. Just select this one, write dd YYYY. So lots of formats are there for date. You can use any of the, suppose you want to month in 3 characters, not in numbers, so you need to put 3M, so it will come like that. If you want to put, or if you want to write the numbers month name in full words, then you need to put 5M here, like that. Just give some space. So with the help of 4M it will give the complete month name. With the help of 3M it will give the first 3 character of the month. With the help of 2YY it will give only last 2 digit of the year. With the help of 4YYY it will give you the 2 digit of the year. So this is the process how we can do the task with the help of number format. Lots of options are there, you need to try them. Suppose you want to change the currency symbol, you want to dollar instead of rupees, so you need to go here, you will find the particular options like currency, Here are the options. You can choose any of the options which you need or which you require. How many decimal point you want, you can also set the decimal point here also. So this is the way of working, how we can work with the number formats. You should practice it again and again, because this is the most important way how you can design a format professionally. Thank you. We will meet in the next video, and we will try to cover the next topics like style, cell and editing. Thank you. See you again.